Hello girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today we're going to learn words about food. Before learning the words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Food, and it is now circled in pink. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled. There are many words this week, so pay attention, okay? Okay, let's go. Food. Chicken, eggs, bread, and meat. I love food, salt and sweet. Avocado, grapes, and fish. Make you grow, also milk. Don't forget there are great veggies. Tomato and lettuce, yummy and smelly. Okay, so now we have read the words and I am going to introduce them. I'm going to say the word once and then I am going to count it to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together, okay? Okay. Chicken. 1, 2, 3. Chicken. Eggs. 1, 2, 3. Eggs. Yummy. Bread. 1, 2, 3. Bread. Meat. 1, 2, 3. Meat. Avocado. 1, 2, 3. Avocado. Grapes. 1, 2, 3. Grapes. Fish. 1, 2, 3. Fish. Milk. 1, 2, 3. Milk. Tomato. 1, 2, 3. Tomato. You can also say tomato. Lettuce. 1, 2, 3. Lettuce. Okay, so those were the words, and now that you know them, we're going to read the poem one more time. Ready? Let's go. Food. Chicken, eggs, bread, and meat. I love food, salt and sweet. Avocado, grapes, and fish. Make you grow, also milk. Don't forget there are great veggies. Tomato and lettuce, yummy and smelly. Okay, I hope that you like it. Bye-bye. A big kiss for everybody.